Is a fashion designer. Wewe ni fashion designer?
Mimi ndonda pale.
Wewe ndonda pale Githura. By the ile siku nilikuwa nafikiria ni wewe lakini nikasema acha tu nifikirie. Oh my god.
Bruh.
So hey guys, welcome to another video. It's your boy here, and I'm back at it again with yet another one. Na leo I have this guy.
Mtiza mtoka na mtinda mumo kuma kwanza.
Yeah, I have my good friend pale ya musilli. Leo ananipeleka on a ride, eh? This guy drives like akona extra lives hapo. Na tuko ndani ya X-Wish.
Awali ndo concentrate sana na kwa.
Na load inapotea. Anapenda hiyo honi bwana. X-Wish ni inaitwaje ni Mark X 250G. Unajua the normal V6. Na akona ni straight pipe ama. Hebu ni straight pipe. Ni straight pipe. Allah manze but sikia kwa channel. Allah. Yeah, and it just sounds so great, huh?
Bruh.
Oh my god. Leo kiniua.
Nani mwambata ningeja mimi don't send.
Manze ina sound poa sana. Tusikie. Jamaa, that was the ride. Ride moja na nusu. Oh yeah. So as I was saying, Kogari, this is a 250G Mark X V6. I think 2010 model. Yeah, kuna I think one more version after this. I don't think they wametoa another one. Yeah. So it belongs to Ian Musilli, ule mjamaa mnaona hapo mbele. One of the few people wamefanya Mark X ijulikane sana. So it's actually wrapped in this. Ian, hii wrap inaitwaje Ian? Hii wrap. Orange something, eh?
Orange something.
Yeah, but it has some sparkle to it. But it has seen some better days. If you look at it, imeona some better days. That was, unaona vile iko sahi hapo. That was the same case that was here. Hapa kwa hood. Yeah, it was the same case here, but quite big. But alichora and he painted it matte black so that he would isionekane. Some time back I noticed some hizi vitu and I reached out to Ian and akaniambia he's going to fix this by wrapping the whole car again, another color of which hatutawaambia sahi. So I reached out to him, akaniambia we can do like the whole process, like from the start to the finish, so that muone like the process, because I believe like there are people who are rapping and they're not like, unajua how tuoneshi what the process is. And shout out to him, aku dear Lord, oh my God, you feel eh? But the original color gari ni green. Oh yeah, that's the original color of that was there before. Yeah, ali I could stay for long. At least jika ilika 2 weeks. And so we are going to document this process and just to show you guys what it takes to actually wrap your car in Kenya. This is just like the first video tunaonyesha to just some bits here and there. Leo I think leo tunatoa the wrap. Tunatoa some bits, like he's going to fix that. Tunatoa some bits. The car itakaa Frankenstein kidogo. So it has seen some better days. Vile nawaambia tu. That's the thing with wrap and paint. The difference is like wrap, it's just an overlay. It can last long if you take care of it, but with something like paint you can always like refresh it. But with wrap, I think with wrap you have more options.
Early the next morning.
So guys, it's the next day. Technically see the next day, it's like 2 days later from the previous clips. Leo ndo tuna unwrap the car. As I said, me and Ian got a partner to do these videos for you guys. I feel like nobody has really documented like the process zenye unafaa kufuata from if you have a wrapped car or an garage wrapiwa and all the way to a car getting wrapped. So we have partnered to do some videos for you guys so that tuki document X-Wish is Ian's, najua gari man. The car originally iko na this really unique color. I don't think nimeona mark X ingine iko na like this type of green. Inaka British racing green, like the one alovalia British racing green hapo. Leo napatiwa section yangu, I think the other side nitoe and then I time lapse for you guys. So hata mimi niende section yangu. The other day Ian alinibeba nikasahau knowledge yote ya mark X. Yeah, it's a V6 company, so I guess 200 and something horsepower. Really good car. Bado prepping. Naona huku kwa kona inaumiza mkono. But I believe naweza nikingangana naweza imaliza. Yeah, the whole of that. Sijui ana plan ku drive ikiwa hivi. We all know Ian. That's, I believe he's the only guy who can drive like this. Hey. No man. Guys, some people think rap is not actually tough and why they prefer it over paint, which is completely fine. But I've tried to remove this section for the last I don't know how many minutes, and it's not easy. Naonaga guys wakifanyaga the nini, remove their rap, they usually have a heat gun, but with these guys waliacha ikae kwa sun kidogo so that the rap ikae a little bit mellow, and bado it's that tough. So yeah, don't be afraid to wrap your car. It had to take ages kutoa. Literally ages, because it's just not like peeling off rice. Yeah. Okay, cha tungangane, tukimaliza nitawaonesha. So since tumemalizana na hapo, nitamwachia malize that section. Yeah, it's really cutting the fingertips. Yeah, so I'm moving back to the bumper. Ndio niweze kutoa hii side yote. Yeah, we are supposed to kutoa hiyo yote because yeah, pia inahitaji prep. So yeah, nilikuwa nimeanza, let me continue. Shortcut, hata shortcut. Nakumbuka. Imesikikana, itabidi tutoe this whole section hadi huko. Yeah. Naanzia hapa. So hapa niko na mkuu manzi Ian Musilli ni aje siongeo bana. So nini, if you guys don't know Ian Musilli, man, nitaweka Instagram yake. He's a designer. He's a fashion designer. Wewe ni fashion designer?
Mimi ndonda pale.
Wewe ndonda pale Githura. By the ile siku nilikuwa nafikiria ni wewe, lakini nikasema acha tu nifikirie.
Personal style.
Personal style. Manze
Suti na nini?
Yeah.
Atujua mambo ya ladies. Pale
Little Red tusiongeza. So Ian is a friend. At least yeye ndo amenipatia this opportunity to make this video for you guys. So appreciation bana. Much appreciation to him. So follow him. Kiona unapenda what he does. DM pale.
Pia follow Gary.
Follow Gary pia. The car has its own Instagram. It's a personality in itself. Kujaribu tu bana, si ndio? Thank you. See, tutaendelea ku. This is all me. Ian utanilipa. Manzi. Nimefanya job. So guys, I think we are done with this section. Ndo natoa the little bits hapo. So that yeah, kuna section nyingine tunatoa? Sidhani kuna section nyingine because easy sections zenye zinahitaji tu prep, and then the other ones I guess the wrap shop ita sort. Yeah, so So next, tunataka kudeal na hii situation. As you can see, lots of filler. This is how all has to come out so that they actually smoothen out. Where there was a way kidogo ashatoa the nini fender liner. Yeah, nisikia watu wakiita mudguard and felt so wrong. So back it goes one after being aligned. Najua boy Mr. Ian rides on some really meaty tires, so I guess your time alikuwa amerub karibu your wing, but even samefanya amework wonders. It's now flat.